Senator, massive flooding in Cebu and other areas with a death toll at almost 200. This was clearly a shock to many. And some are blaming flood control projects to the tune of, I think the governor was saying 26 billion pesos. Some say it could it have been the amount of rain that was dumped in Cebu in particular? It was one day of rain that was actually poured in an area or pupunta dun sa area na yon in 1 hour. Yun po yung description ng Pag-asa. It could be quarrying, it could be climate change. What was running through your head, sir, when you saw that devastation?
Well, immediately, sabi kasi nila, parang undoy, no? In Cebu. And undoy was 2009. In other words, hindi tayo natuto sa nangyari noong 2009. And therefore, 15 years, well, yeah, later, ayan na, nangyari naman sa Cebu. And yes, the flood control projects, obviously, hindi siya effective, hindi napapatupad yung master plan. I remember sitting down with former Secretary Babe Singson. Sabi niya, anything that you put sa baba ng river basin system na hindi nyo inaayos yung sa taas, mawawash out yung mga nasa baba, lalo na kung substandard, no? So talagang yung master plan for flood control should really include infrastructure that will address yung buong river basin system from the watershed down to the basin sa baba.